Good morning, friends. I filled up the carburetor bowl with fuel. Only that. Let's see if it will start with that. I come from the town and I totally forgot to buy fuel. So let's see if it will start with that. Okay, let's see. I worked on the carburetor, so it might need some tuning. Will die now. Okay, that was now nice after a good, I would say, a month or more. Look how the exhaust is smoking. Okay, at least good to see it run alright. Okay. Okay guys, this is my Goliath pumpkins. And that is corn that coming up there. And more here. Okay, and that is also Goliath from pumpkins, and I believe that one is sugar baby, watermelon, and some other plants like peppers and maracas and so on. And on this side we have some round beans coming up, and that one is my biggest squash, and it's about to start making flowers. That is my raised bed in process.